Sony gave us a sneak peek of PlayStation's first dedicated remote play device, then called Project Q, back in May. It's now provided more details and announced that the device, renamed Portal, will launch later this year. According to Sony, the PlayStation Portal is designed to put the PS5 experience in the palm of your hand, using the PS5's remote play feature to stream games from your console over Wi-Fi. Because it uses remote play, everything, home screen, account, trophies, progress appears on the portal as it would on your TV, and you are able to easily swap between games or run another PS5 app without having to quit and reconnect like you would with cloud gaming. The reliance on Wi-Fi may cause issues if you don't have a strong connection, and latency may become an issue if that connection is tested in any way. The portal's attractive looking 8-inch LCD screen provides 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second. As far as handheld devices go, the screen does the job, but it lacks some of the features of other handheld devices. The device's controls have the same features as the DualSense wireless controller: haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and touchpad, although the light bar is absent, which is not a huge concern. There is a USB-C port for charging, a 3.5mm jack for wired headphones, and a small pair of speaker grills if you don't want to use headphones. Downsides? There are a few. The portal isn't a standalone unit, you can't play games independently, you can't download games for it, and you can't hook it up on a TV to play games. It requires a PS5 and only a PS5 to work. There is no internal storage, so the portal can't do anything if it's not connected to a PS5, and there is no Bluetooth. PlayStation VR 2 gamers that required a headset and games streamed through PlayStation Plus premium cloud streaming service aren't supported. Unlike some Nintendo Switch models, it does not have OLED technology to enhance screen brightness, contrast, and color accuracy. Having said that, for PS5 gamers who don't always have access to the main TV in the house because your significant other is binging Netflix, for example, the portal might be a useful addition. Alternatively, you can watch a sports match on TV while simultaneously gaming. And then there is the lure of in-bed gaming, which for some might prove too tempting. The PlayStation Portal will be available later this year for $199. In addition to announcing the imminent arrival of the Portal, Sony also announced the Pulse Elite wireless headphones and the Pulse Explorer wireless earbuds. The Pulse Elite offers lossless audio and comes with a retractable boom mic and AI-enhanced noise rejection that's capable of filtering background noise. They come with a charger hanger. The Pulse Explorer is PlayStation's first set of wireless earbuds with dual microphones and the same lossless audio and noise rejection as the Elite headphones. They come with a charging case. Both the headphones and the earbuds use custom-designed planar magnetic drivers for an audiophile level listening experience, and both connect directly to the portal via new wireless audio technology PlayStation Link. The Pulse Elite and the Pulse Explorer can simultaneously connect to a Link-supported device, PS5, PC, Mac, PS Portal, and a Bluetooth-supported device. For example, Pulse Explorer can be connected to the PS5 using PlayStation Link and also to a smartphone via Bluetooth, so gamers can instantly answer a call and hear it through their earbuds. The Pulse Elite will be available for $149 and the Pulse Explorer will sell for $199. This is Hack Tech, and thanks for watching until the end. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.